Today we're gonna be playing Subway Surfers, and I'm just gonna start the game. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see what I can do. Okay, I just downloaded the app. I deleted it first, so it's at the ending. It's gonna be new high score because this is my second game, and I just played for like 1 second for my first game. So, okay, letter O. Olivia? What does that even mean? Comment down below. Margaret. Let's see if I can do that to like 10,000, I guess. Yeah. 10,000 points. Okay, L. Let's go. You know how, like, I just go straight. I mean sometimes I just turn it. I just like going straight. Okay. You know, this actually takes this video has like it's gonna take lots of my gallery away. So I don't know why I'm doing this. Well, I'll delete the video after I uploaded it. Well, knowing that I'm editing this video right now. Wait, not right now. I'm recording this video. Yeah, so comment. Okay. Okay, we're at 2,000. I think we can get to 10,000. This side up, up. This side up. No, this is the thing that is the I. Yeah. What? I don't need to. Wow. Oh, oh no. I hate going on trains. They all scare me. I'm just getting a little bit fast. I'm gonna stop talking a little bit. I need to focus. A few words. I'll say. Okay. When it's in small places, I'll talk less. Okay, I won't talk now. Oh, that was close. No, no, guys. That was only 3,000 points. So that was the end of the oh no, that was 5,000. So bye, guys, and bye. Yeah.